Welcome everybody. My name is Bjoern Hagen. I'm a lecturer for the School of Sustainability. And I want to take this opportunity to provide you with some information about a very exciting course that I've been teaching for a very long time called SOS 111 Sustainable Cities. So as you all know, we are living in quite interesting, challenging, but also very exciting times. We are facing great sustainability challenges such as climate change, environmental degradation, energy challenges to energy, water and food accessibility, and social justice issues, many of which are playing out in front of our eyes in urban environments. Simultaneously, we are going through a rapid phase of urbanization. Over 50% of the world's population is already living in urban environments, and this trend is continuing to various degrees, depends where you are on this planet. And cities contribute to many of the problems we are facing today, but more importantly, they are also a significant part of the solution to make this world more sustainable. Cities play a crucial role in defining how society will be adapting to global change, risks, and uncertainties. And this class looks at the role of cities in the context of major sustainability challenges on a global scale, all the way down to the neighborhood level, and presents urban policy development, policies, development strategies, and design implementations that are not just short-term fixes, but sustainable solutions that work towards many of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which were created by the United Nations. So this class is an introductory class to sustainability and discusses the role of cities within the realm of those global challenges that we are facing today. And this class also touches on a lot of different topics, such as the history of environmentalism, climate change, urban resiliency planning, sustainable transportation, sustainable food systems, green infrastructure and urban ecology, biophilic design, and many others, and really provide a good basis for upper level classes that you will be hopefully taking in your college career. This class is an online class, and it's a mix of online lectures, assignments, quizzes, but also group discussions where you as a part of a group do your own research on an assigned city and explore the sustainability of that city, the level of sustainability, and also the challenges that the city is experiencing. And you are asked to come up with some solutions to make that city more sustainable throughout the semester. So I hope this sparked your interest, and I will be able to welcome you in person or via email communication in the future. Thank you.